Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get a voided check from Capital One. Accessing a voided check from Capital One is straightforward and can be done through multiple convenient methods. First, you can use online banking by logging into your Capital One account, navigating to the customer service or support section, then selecting the option to request a voided check, then following the on screen instructions. Second, a phone call to customer support allows you to speak directly with a representative who will verify your identity and arrange for your voided check to be sent via email or mail. Third, a branch visit lets you obtain a voided check in person by speaking with a representative who can provide a document on the spot. Fourth, through the mobile banking app, you can request a voided check by navigating to the relevant section or messaging customer support directly in the app, then following the prompts. Lastly, you can use a secure message from your online account, including all necessary identity verification details, to have the support team assist you in obtaining your voided check. These options can make it simple and flexible to access your voided check whenever needed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.